this has all been bubbling all season where A.J. Brown and other players have been going at Jalen Hurts, and then he turns the ball over 5 times, 2 times on one play. How is that possible? He throws an interception. The guy that intercepts it fumbles the ball. Hurts gets it back. Then Hurts fumbles the ball.
Now, I heard this is the only time this has ever happened in NFL history, and I failed to believe that. There's had to have happened another time, right?
I mean, the probability of the quarterback throwing interception and then being the guy that recovers a fumble can't be high.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's just crazy.